Hello and welcome to Ducati Glasgow. Here we are featuring our Ducati Approved Used Programme. So with the Ducati Approved Used bike, you'll find that it'll only have used Ducati genuine parts, it'll have passed a 35-point check, it'll be less than 6 years old, have less than 37,000 miles, a 12-month warranty, and it also comes with 24/7 EU breakdown. So a couple of bikes that we have just now in our Approved Used section include this Multistrada 1200S. This is a 2018 bike with 1,653 miles. We also have this Multistrada 1200 Pikes Peak. This is a 2017 model with 7,070 miles. And we also have this Multistrada 1200 Enduro 2016 model with 8,262 miles. If you're interested in finding out more about our Ducati Approved Used Programme, please visit ducatiglasgow.co.uk.